So here's a real quick video on how you're going to have to troubleshoot an F-hole guitar when one of the pickups isn't working. This is a guitar we had on display, and I think I've even tried to fix it before, but today I took a little more time out of the morning just to make sure I got everything correct. And basically the technique, if you've been mystified by this and you're trying to figure it out, you need some latex tubing or some sort of flexible tubing. This is about 5mm inner diameter, and you can attach that to, like this one's attached to the switch. So it's about 12, 14 inches, whatever, and it allows me to pull the switch out and then still have a way to fish it back out to the original spot very carefully, and then kind of pinch it against the side and put the washer and nut back on the control or the switch. Sometimes you can come out through the pickup hole if you want to do that. In this case, I probably could have left the strings on it and left the pickup on it, but I really wasn't sure where I was going. It turned out that I didn't do a good enough job soldering the ground, and as I was fishing it back out, the hot wire, the signal wire, came off of the bridge's volume control. I couldn't pull the bridge volume control out without pushing the tone in a little bit, so this tone is hooked to a tube, and it's just, ready to be pulled right back out, and then you can pinch it against the side at the top and pull your tube off, and then at that point you have room to quickly get your washer back on and your hex nut back on. So let's set up a little time lapse of what that looks like. So with some simple 5mm inner diameter flexible latex tubing, you're able to get the controls out of a hollow or semi-hollow style guitar. It doesn't have any access to get to the controls on the back, and troubleshoot your connection problems, or even replace controls or pickups if you need to. That's the same technique that you would use to get that done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.